So it's given in the function form. So there is no standard limit. So we'll try to apply L'Hospital rule. Limit extending to 0, f dash x square, and derivative of x square is 2x, minus f dash x by f dash x. Now why we did this? Because it is taking in a 0 by 0 form. They have missed actually. They must give f of 0 is equal to 0 also. So what happens? F 0 by 0 form. It is, what is L'Hospital rule? Limit extending to a, f of x by g of x. F of a also becomes 0. G of a is also 0. Then it is 0 by 0 form. To remove that, what we do? We differentiate numerator and denominator separately. F dash x by g dash x. This process continues until and unless we get a finite limit. So now if you substitute, what happens? F dash 0 into 0 minus f dash 0 by f dash 0, which will give you minus 1. So suppose f dash 0 also becomes 0, g dash also becomes 0, then we will keep on differentiating it until and unless we get a finite limit or infinite. So this is also valid for f of a is tending to infinite, g of a is tending to infinite. Then we say it is infinite by infinite. In both the cases, we can use L'Hospital's rule. What is L'Hospital's rules? Whenever it is 0 by 0 form or infinite by infinite form, we differentiate numerator and denominator separately until and unless we get a